Invisible Assassin. Marichka, the underwater drone taking on Putin's fleet. Ukraine unveils Marichka, a new, innovative underwater self-destruct drone, aimed to counter Russian naval forces in the Black Sea. Marichka is designed to be invisible, eluding detection by radars, scanners, and echo sounders. This 20-foot-long sea weapon is priced at £355,000 and can carry around 1,000 pounds of explosives. The drone is designed to operate against vital Russian assets, including the £3 billion Crimean Bridge, a crucial Russian supply route. This bridge has already been a target for Ukraine, having been hit twice during the ongoing conflicts. Ukraine volunteers, featuring unique communication systems allowing control at significant distances and depths. This drone can linger in standby mode underwater before being directed at a target, serving both reconnaissance and strike roles. It is separate from Ukraine's previously developed Sea Baby drone, and is part of Ukraine's diversified drone arsenal. The majority of these military drones are built by an army of volunteers across the country, comprising up to 90% of Ukraine's drone fleet. They are assembled using off-the-shelf devices, consumer electronics, computer gaming gear, and 3D printed parts. These drones play a crucial role in Ukraine's defense strategy against Russia's superior long-range missiles. They are used for precise attacks, reconnaissance, and for painting targets from a distance, allowing troops to pinpoint Russian positions accurately. Such drones have been involved in several high-profile attacks, including instances deep inside Russian territory. Russia, in response, has also employed drones, including Iranian-made Shahed attack drones, targeting both military and civilian sites. Ukraine has pioneered in the use of various naval kamikaze drones, causing significant damage to Russian ships and infrastructure. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military, don't forget to subscribe.